It's Taco Tuesday, and this is what I'm making for the kids. One pot, $1 million taco spaghetti bake. I'm trying to do something fun in the kitchen with spaghetti. So quickly, we're gonna jump into the pan. We're gonna use sausage, turkey meat, cream cheese, taco seasoning, and the crunchy taco. We're taking the taco seasoning to give you $1 million taco spaghetti bake. Some great value, 16 ounces of spaghetti. Make sure you add 1/9 teaspoon of salt, of cooking oil, maybe even 1 teaspoon, okay? Mr. Cannon said he don't break his spaghetti. I'm gonna try to go long today. There's 1/9. 16 ounces of spaghetti. I'm just gonna let it romantically fall. This is what I'm making for the kids. 16 ounces of all natural fresh ground turkey meat. You're still gonna love it. You're still gonna love it. The hashtag cannons. This is what happens when you leave it outside of the rim and don't break your spaghetti. It stands up in the pot. Break your spaghetti. A little bit of Carter's spice blend. A pinch of salt. And we're going to let this cook up together. Drain it and then add our sausage. I'm draining after the fact because I want to lose some of that seasoning since we're cooking for seniors and we're trying to do healthier recipes with less sodium. And not, this is a 16-ounce pack. We're going to do about, I left this much, so that's about 4 ounces. I left, we did 12 ounces of sausage. All right, let's go in with our original taco seasoning. And it does not have a lot of flavor. Okay, and now we're going to use some of our hamburger helper crunchy taco without the crunch, just the seasoning pack. This is what I'm making the kids tonight. $1 million taco spaghetti bake. I'm going to taste it midway, so let's just add that. That's half the contents. Get it all worked up together. See how the sausage doesn't create a lot of oil? That's why we drain the turkey meat first. I'm going to get this cooked down and we're going to taste test it to see if it tastes like tacos. And then we're going to go ahead and do our magic with the spaghetti, which makes it the $1 million spaghetti bake. We're going to add just a little bit of water. Okay, it's really tasting like tacos now. So we're going to go make this, let's go do the spaghetti. I'm going to cheat tonight. We're just going to rinse these. I'm not going to use a strainer. Well, this is what I'm cooking for the kids on the time. So sometimes you can just run the water right on off. Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Yeah, those are the brown pieces that burn. We'll get them. All right, and then we're gonna get a scoop, and then get your 2 scoopfuls cream cheese spread. Ooh. Ooh. 1, let's go, okay? My recorder failed to capture the spaghetti going on top of the cheese blend. Forgive me. To make this good and creamy, here is where my mother and I said we should either add a broth, either chicken broth or beef broth, or heavy cream. Adding that liquid solution would make the spaghetti bake more fluid. You could have done it right in the pot as well. Get it all worked up in there, y'all. You can layer it. You can mix it. All right, I'm trying to decide if I want to layer it or if I want to right in here, when you're mixing your cream cheese and your cheeses with the spaghetti noodles, you should or could add beef broth, chicken broth, cream and mushroom soup, or heavy cream. Everybody have a front row seat. Good, good, good. I said, let's get this in the oven before Daddy gets home. Ooh, ooh. Y'all should smell it. Yes. Ooh. I don't have any shredded cheese. I hear you in the comments. I wish I did. I'm using pantry. This is pantry. What? When I tell y'all this recipe was so good, it was amazing. I really loved the taco flavor on the spaghetti. Make it, make it, make it. Oh, we can should go out on your bites. You want to evenly flatten and spread it out because we are going to come back with one last layer of taco meat, taco blend on top to kind of make it look like a spaghetti bake. So we want to layer it with the meat. Again, this is what the kids are having for dinner tonight. You better make it stretch. You better make it stretch. Make it stretch. Make it stretch for them YouTube streets. Make it stretch. Make it stretch. Make it stretch. Alright, this is gonna.
Your printer? It works. You got new, yes.
Nothing like some fresh cilantro. The kids would scream if it was on theirs, okay? Think? Lay 'em out. Lay 'em out. How many cars is he? Let's go. Hope you're having a good day. The oven is hot. That's why we don't do it in the summertime, okay? There you go. We're going in. Let's see what it looks like when we get right back, okay? To you and you and you. While it's cooking, go ahead. Thumbs up the video. Share us out. Subscribe. We're on the road to 20K. As Maria says, don't keep us to yourself. Let everybody know Carter's Eat, the food vlogger from North Carolina, is coming to you with mukbangs, cooking shows, bizarre food, family vlogs, family vacation vlogs. And on Mrs. Carter, we have our gray hair journey and the Mature Moms Club, where we're meeting so many amazing women who are deciding or have had children late in life. Allow me to share that testimony with you on Mrs. Carter, because I had my kids at 40 and 44, and I'm the ripe young age of 52. My parents live with us. AJ's 11, Blake is 8. So we always have fun in the kitchen, and we're doing it for you, you, and you. We can't make the village any bigger unless you decide to subscribe. Come on in. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. Comment, commit, and stick. We'd love to have you as a part of the Carter's Eats family. We're always, always, always having fun in the kitchen. You're never too young to have fun. Don't get old. Just keep on living. Keep on. Go get dinner for the kids. Our $1 million taco spaghetti bake. Let's see what it looks like. In the oven. Don't peek in the oven. Prayer hands that the kids like it. Y'all, this was ridiculous. I was so peacock proud. I knew I wanted to do something different with spaghetti tonight, and I'm glad I did. This is our one pot $1 million taco spaghetti bake. And y'all, that thing's so good. Taco spaghetti bake. We tore it up.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough,